Hello, welcome to Aonlinetraining.com. What's the use of Flash in web industry? So, Adobe Flash is a multimedia platform developed and distributed by Adobe Systems. Formerly, it was with Future Wave, then Macromedia, now the Flash will have Adobe. And Flash is a multimedia graphic program specially for use on web, while just given a more interactivity. Flash enables you to create interactive movies on the web. For example, you see in your online website, yeah, online shopping website. Now just take an example, jobon.com, amazon.com or flipkart.com. They show you like sales, interactive banners, so people just interact, increase that, hey, there is a something sales on Amazon or Flipkart, those kind of things. Flash allows even the beginners to create high impact visuals to enhance a presentation or web page with illustrations or decoration or even the both. Slideshow, quizzes, and other kits of interactive experience can design to your exact specification, giving you great control over your teaching materials. If you see the online teaching, online training websites for kids programs and quizzes, slideshow, presentation, those things are greatly to be designed in Flash for giving it a more interactivity and more control by the users also. Flash is commonly used to create interactive website with the create animation and advertisement also. Flash applications like shortwave files, GIF animation, Flash video. You can stream on website. You can share your things on your smartphones. Okay, audio and video streaming. You can see like you can make a online music players. People can stream. People can online video streamings. That's if you see like YouTube's, they have online video streamings also, audio streaming also. And second last is develop rich internet application. That is a great platforms, those who use smartphones, Android platforms, iOS. So there's basically work with HTML5 version, because all of the platforms are supporting the HTML5 with your Flash files also. And you can create a 2D games or 3D games for your website with the rich internet applications platforms. Now, why the web industry use the Flash? That's a great big things. I'll just tell you about this. Adobe Flash allows to create, edit, test animations before publish for web. Like if you design some things, you can share your on your phones, on your WhatsApp, on your LinkedIn, Vimeo, YouTube, so that you can get the comments, how is it look, so you can finally publish it. However, in order to use and share those animation with others, you need to be publish your work as an SWF document, FLV, or even GIF animation. Do this from file menu, as I told you, as I am telling you in the next part. How is it do? Once you publish, you will have a final product that can be inserted into your web page, as well as you can add in your PowerPoint for a presentation. That's a great things with the Flash. Flash allows to interactivity, animated images. Those who are Flash user, those who are beginner, those who want to learn, they didn't require that you have an like background of programming, or you should be have a programming skills or Java applets. You don't know need of those things, because this is like creative concept. You have to be, interact the peoples with the more controls. This is only for about the creative. It's no need like you have to be know the programming skills, then you go for the learn the Flash. No, it's not like that. So this is all about the Flash. Now I am just telling how you design the things. Even I just give you some examples how easily you can create the animation in Flash, how you can export it, how you can give a small script to control the things. Okay, thank you. Let's we have a look with some. Before I do something in Flash, I just give you some good news that there's another software, Adobe Animate CC. It's have a same features, but there's a little bit difference comes for those who are pure 2D animators, like create a by default armatures layer, separate armatures layers. You can animate a characters with bones tools. This is a little bit difference comes in Animate CC. Otherwise, all the things are same, which is very interactive things. You can understand more how is we work in that. Okay. For queries, please contact us on info@aonlinetraining.com. Have a nice day.